Then remove the vacuum hose at the map, or manifold absolute pressure sensor, and again read the timing at approximately 2500 RPM. It should be less, just like disconnecting the vacuum hose from a regular distributor diaphragm.
Lack of any advance with speed, or no change when removing the map hose, would confirm a timing advance system problem.
Each manufacturer has a specific procedure to follow when setting basic timing, so refer to the vehicle emissions decal or the appropriate service manual.
These quick tests are quite general in nature and apply to a great many vehicles, depending on which type of components they may have. You will notice when following the service manual procedures that most input sensors and output devices are specifically checked with an ohmmeter or voltmeter.
While an analog type can still be used in many cases, digital voltmeters are now a definite requirement when testing many very sensitive electronic circuits, so follow the instructions closely. There are many types of portable systems testers available now which really simplify obtaining diagnostic service codes. Most are miniature computers in themselves. While they all display the fault codes, some can even operate various output devices to save a lot of time. For example, on this 85 Aries with throttle body injection, the diagnostic tester will display the codes directly following self-test code 88. In this case, 22 and 32 are showing, followed by 55, which is the end of the code display. Then, when the actuator button is depressed to display code 1, the vehicle computer will cause the coil to spark every 2 seconds. Pressing the button to display code 2 will cause the injector to pulse every 2 seconds. Code 3 will actuate the idle speed control. And code 4 will actuate the cooling fan relay. These checks and others verify that various systems are functioning properly. Now, with this type of tester, once the proper vehicle information is keyed into its memory, it can access almost every input and output circuit on command. In this case, the trouble code mode 2 has been selected and code 33 is showing. As this is a faulty map sensor circuit, you can then press mode 15 to actually read the sensor manifold pressure. 99 to 100 kPa or atmospheric in this case, and voltage, which is 4.86. Both indicate a leaky vacuum hose as the probable cause. In addition, you can check various engine operating conditions or component readings by keying in the proper mode number from the prompter. In this case, mode 9 tells us the engine is at approximately 1125 RPM, and throttle position sensor voltage is 0.78 volts. These little testers can save a lot of time and headaches, especially if you'll take a little time to get to know them. One other nice feature, of course, is that by being truly portable, you can take them on the road test. Always have the customer or a helper drive, as you'll be busy operating the tester.
Each year, more manufacturers add more diagnostic capabilities to their onboard computers. Built-in message centers are also expanding to include more helpful service information. By now, you must realize how important it is to understand basic electricity and the proper use of test equipment. As more and more vehicle systems are being controlled or monitored by electronics, it's essential that you constantly upgrade yourself by reading, practicing, and attending update classes whenever possible. We hope this program has helped you to better understand automotive computer control systems, and that the quick tests we have discussed will save you some time.
Once again, Be sure and use your service manual for complete specs and service procedures. But don't forget to look at the systems operation section if you want to know how they work.